Hey, what do you know? We're back at it again with another CAD tutorial. God, that sounded cringy. Uh, anyway, yeah, I know it's been a while. We had to get our a new SolidWorks license. I had to actually be able to get into the shop so I can use some of the equipment here to make the recording experience a bit better so you don't have random noise in the background. But hey. Now, today we have a new CADing challenge for you. Now, the primary point of this is to replicate this part that we see right here. We've got a nice little technical drawing. Don't worry about the fact that I haven't filled out any of the information. Actually, I'll probably make a tutorial on our technical drawings later. But now, so as you can see, this is an improper technical drawing because I only have two parts. It really should be the front face, the top face, the right face, and the isometric. Well, actually, no, isometric should go here with front, top, right. But that's besides the point because this is just a quick little thing I did in 5 minutes. Anyway, so we are given this part, and we want to recreate it in CAD. So you already know what we're doing. New part. Now, we are, I'm going to do this two ways. The way that makes it easier to think about it, and the way that involves the least features. First, I'm going to start with the one that involves the least features. Top plane, A. A. Dimensions, 80 millimeter. 50 millimeter. Actually, let's go to settings, document properties, units. Just this document, yeah. That'll make our life a lot easier. Exit. Extrude up 70 millimeters. Now, let's see. Front plane. Extrude cut. Oh, no filters. Okay. Boop. 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 Doop. 20. No. 20. So after we've made our construction lines, we've dimensioned that to the top, that to the bottom. We've got this little trapezoid here, and we have made all of our lines construction lines. Now what we're going to do is exit this sketch. See, it's going to want to blind extrude, but that's actually not what we want to do. What we want to do is through all both ways. Now, you'll see, wow, that's already starting to look like our finished product. What do you know? Now, there's one more feature we have to do, and that is an extruded cut on the top plane. This one's going to be a little more complicated because we're going to involve some tools that we don't normally use. First, take these parallel, equal, not for construction. Now, I'm going to use a tool that I don't get to use a lot, but is pretty fun. It is our custom arcinator thingy. And once, no, not. I didn't want to exit the sketch. That's what I wanted. There. Yeah. Probably just short so I can click it. Merge. That's not what we wanted. This is sometimes it goes the wrong direction. That are now going to be merged. That's exactly what we wanted. And if we check our drawing, you'll notice that the width is 20 millimeters. So, I'm going to set 20. I know it's kind of weird that I'm using metric, but that is what this document is in. And then our depth is going to be 10 millimeters because our document, that's what our document tells us. And there is our beautiful, brand spanking new part. We're going to save. We're going to go to our training videos. We're going to type in 2168-2025-training video 2 part 3 features. Yeah. So that's the simple way. Now, there's another way that makes it easier to follow exactly what you're doing. And that way, although it includes more features, also uses yeah, there's 2 ways to do this. One is the one I originally did, which is the one I'm now showing you right now. And the other is much simpler. Oh, I'm in inches. Once again, I'm going to have to manually set my units to millimeters. Because, yeah. Exit. Boss extrude only up to 20 millimeters this time. Think about it. That's when the slant will start. Extrude boss base once again on here. Selecting this and this. Convert entities. Yeah, exit. Or actually, no, we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to do something really cool, which is I'm going to select this sketch. I'm going to extrude boss base. So this sketch plane, I'm going to go surface, face, touch plane, there. Extrude up 30 millimeters. And let's see, boss extrude number 1 is just that. Boss extrude number 2 is up there. That just helps me keep an eye of it. It won't actually do anything, like there won't be a ridge here or anything because it's one surface. Now, once again, we're going to select our front plane. We are going to go to extruded cut. This time it's going to be a simpler. We're only going to be making a triangle. Oh, no, never mind. You are not supposed to be going there. No, you are just supposed to be coincident to that. Now we're going to finish up this little triangle right here. We're going to select all. Make not for construction. Set the distance between this and this to be 20 millimeters. Exit. Through all both. Now, extrude boss base here. Convert entities of that. Exit. Up 20 millimeters. Now, cut extrude on this face. Like that. Like that. See, this part's the same. Boop. Boop. Equal. Parallel. Grab this. Merge. Same thing. Again. Okay. Okay, SolidWorks, you can be annoying if you want to. But no. Okay, sometimes it does that, and it just doesn't want to go the correct direction, and it's quite annoying. There we go. Merge. Define that to be 20 millimeters. Exit sketch. Cut down. Blind. 10 millimeters. And this is going to be 2168-2025- training video 2. Why did I put 2? Anyway, part 5 features. This really is the second training part. Actually, so now we're actually going to go through something Actually, that brings up the perfect example for me to show something else that we can do. So we're going to change the name. Okay, so it's going to be a bit buggy right now. Okay, never mind that. We're going to change the names of these parts. Yeah. And so we're going to change the name of these parts, so I had to close them out so as not to cause issues. I'm going to go back to my training video file. I'm going to rename this video 4. Same over here. Rename video 4. Now, if I were to have changed those while I still had the files open, this file isn't open, it's just being a bit glitchy right now, it would actually cause an error and I wouldn't be able to change it. Pretty cool thing. Now, that's all for today's tutorial. This is like pretty simple. Walk you through the whole thing. If you want to do more, try and find yourself a isometric or a, oh, what's it called? Starts with an O. Anyway, it's a front, right, and top side view, orthographic sketch. Yes. I probably butchered the pronunciation of that word, but hey. Anyway, try and find yourself a front, right, top view sketch of any part and try and CAD it. It's pretty simple. Yeah, that's it for now. Thanks. Ronan Gordon, Safety Captain Team 2168, signing off.